The OREI AOC DP8K50 is a 50-foot DisplayPort 2.0 hybrid active optical cable, built for installations where distance and signal quality cannot be compromised. Using a hybrid copper-fiber AOC architecture, it converts electrical signals to optical transmission, delivering uncompressed video at the full 54 gigabytes UHBR 13.5 bandwidth with zero latency, jitter, or signal loss over the entire 50-foot run. It supports resolutions up to 8K 120Hz and 4K 144Hz with full HDR coverage, including HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HLG, plus VRR, ALLM, and QFT for smooth, responsive gaming. The fiber optic core provides complete EMI and RFI immunity, making it reliable for in-wall, conference room, and control center installations. Gold-plated connectors, a rugged nylon-braided jacket, and true plug-and-play operation round out a cable designed to last. Available in 15, 30, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, and 300-foot lengths. Whatever the distance, the AOC DP8K series has you covered.